Okay guys, I have a new project. We've been cooped up all winter. So for Christmas, we gave our kids this gift of having swings. You just basically drill these little things. I got these at Home Depot for a couple buck or so, and then you can buy these swings for about $15 each on eBay, and just drill them right into the, like we have every 18 inches we have these boards, and man, the kids have just played on these non-stop. They're loving it. So this is a really easy project. I thought, here, let me push Jude here. Here, buddy. Woohoo! Another fun thing. He likes to get this ball thrown at him. Boom! Woo! He's Blanky. Woo! Anyway, it's a pretty simple, easy project to do. I'd say our kids have probably played 100 hours on these things already. And it's better than a real playground because, it's warm all the time. They can come down here anytime they want. They get going so high, they're like, hitting the ceiling here sometimes. But yeah, they love it. So anyway, good luck. Let me know, put in the comments if you have any questions, and good luck. We'll see you. Bye-bye.